Today, fans, we will be unboxing this bakugan. Yes, that's right. If you've never seen us before, we do Beyblading and we do video games and sometimes vlogs. But now we are doing something new. Bakugan, 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 bakugan. This we will be unboxing. Let me just have a minute to unbox it. Well, but first, we should show you three regular bakugan, 2 ultra bakugan, a couple cards. We should get this unboxed. So, we have finished unboxing it, and they were so tricky to unbox, so tricky to get out of the package and to put together. But we finally got everything together. The character cards, the ability cards, the Baku cards, whatever those are, and everything. And we would show you how to fight with them, but we have no idea and we don't have stadium. So I'm actually just going to show you them. So we have our first Halgor Ultra. This is his card. As you can see, he has 3 heads. Oh no, I opened him. Okay, he opened! Magical! Here he is. Pretty strong. Well, sort of intimidating. I mean, he does have 3 heads, so he's kind of like a guard dog. Let's show you our next guy. So, we have our next contestant. This golden guy. Here's his card. Looks like he should have like razor sharp wings or something. Let's do this. Ooh. 2 long heads. Both of our contestants have had 2. Well, actually, one has had 2, one has had 3 heads. So we have 5 heads so far. That's a lot of heads in your head count. Let's show you our next contestant. Okay, here is the next contestant. Very black, very mysterious. Here's his card. Looks like he should be one big robotic T-Rex. Let's open him and find out. It almost looks like a serpent, but I can see the T-Rex in him. Very interesting. It's pretty cool. Let's show you our next contestant. So, here is the contestant. He's kind of orange, red. Here's his card. Almost like a huge lion. Let's see if he really looks like a huge lion. The most realistic contestant yet. Looks exactly like a lion. Looks almost exactly like a lion. That's pretty cool. Our next contestant will be the final and last one. So, our final and last contestant is right here. Here's his card. This one might be the hardest to put together. Actually, no, the first green one was the hardest to put together. But this guy is pretty hard to put together because he's also a Ultra. Let's see how he is. Ooh, exciting. There he is.
He does look kind of like a dragon.
He does. I think he is supposed to be a dragon. And those are all of our contestants, all lined up back here. You can see all of them. Which one do you like best? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell because you don't want to miss this video. Well, the next video. Yeah.